Hello everyone, let us see one problem on psychrometry, a fundamental basic problem. The statement goes like this: the atmospheric conditions are 20 degrees centigrade and specific humidity of 0.095 kg per kg of dry air. So calculate the following: A. Partial pressure of water vapor, B. Relative humidity, C. Dew point temperature. It's a very simple problem in which atmospheric conditions are given, that is 20 degrees centigrade. This 20 degrees centigrade is nothing but the dry bulb temperature, and specific humidity is also given, that is 0.0095 kg per kg of dry air. So what is the specific humidity? It is the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere for 1 kg of the dry air. So with this given data, two details, we have to calculate partial pressure of water vapor, the relative humidity and dew point temperature. As a first step, let us write the data given. What is the data given? The dew point dry bulb temperature is given, dBT, or we represent it with TdB, is equal to 20 degrees centigrade. And the second data given is the specific humidity. So specific humidity is equal to, it is denoted with letter W, 0.0095 kg per kg of dry air. So how to calculate partial pressure of water vapor? So with the data specific humidity, we can calculate partial pressure of water vapor, because in the formula of specific humidity we come across the partial pressure of water vapor. So first one, A, partial pressure of water vapor. We'll calculate that. Partial pressure of water vapor. So what is the formula for specific humidity? That is given by W is equal to 0.622 PW, partial pressure of water vapor, divided by P, that is atmospheric pressure, minus PW. Okay, W value is given for us, that is 0.0095. Just substitute that value. 0.0095 is equal to 0.622 as it is, into PW, that is to be calculated, divided by P. What is the value of P? 1.01325 bar, minus PW, which is to be calculated. So if you observe this carefully, the only variable in this equation is PW. Therefore, if you calculate PW, it comes to partial pressure of water vapor. PW comes to 0.01524 bar. This is the first answer, partial pressure of water vapor. So what is the second one? Relative humidity. How to calculate relative humidity? That let us see. B, relative humidity. Relative humidity. What is the formula for relative humidity? Phi is equal to partial pressure of water vapor at the given condition divided by partial pressure of water vapor in saturation condition. So partial pressure of water vapor in the given condition just now we have calculated. Next, in the denominator, partial pressure of water vapor in saturation condition. What is partial pressure of water vapor in saturation condition? That partial pressure of water vapor in saturation condition, we can get it from steam tables corresponding to 20 degrees centigrade. So now what you have to do is refer steam tables. Refer steam tables. From steam tables at 20 degrees centigrade. You have to refer at 20 degrees centigrade. What is the value of P sat? P saturation you have to get. If you refer the steam tables at 20 degrees centigrade, saturation pressure is given by 0.0234 bars. 0.0234 bar. So what is the next step? Simply substitute the values. Therefore, phi is equal to PW. Just now you have calculated it as 0.01524 divided by PS. From the steam tables, it is obtained as 0.0234. Okay, and if you calculate this, it comes to 0.65, or the same is equal to 65%. This is B, relative humidity. Third one, dew point temperature. Third one is dew point temperature C. So how to get the value of dew point temperature? This dew point temperature, actually we are not going to calculate it, but we are going to get it from steam tables, because dew point temperature means it is the temperature at which condensation starts. For atmospheric air, in atmospheric air there is water vapor present, and when that is cooled, water vapor is cooled in atmosphere, water vapor is cooled, it is going to be condensed at dew point temperature. Then what is that temperature? It is nothing but saturation temperature corresponding to this partial pressure of water vapor. Therefore, from steam tables at 0.01524 bar, you look at what is the saturation temperature. From steam tables you have to get this value, saturation temperature corresponding to 0.01524 bar, and that value comes to 13.24 degrees centigrade. Therefore, dew point temperature, or we call it as dPT, or the same is called as TDPT, that is dew point temperature, is equal to 13.24 degrees centigrade. So in this way you have to calculate dew point temperature. I hope this problem is clear. Let us see this once again. I will repeat the explanation. So, in the problem, the data given is 20 degrees centigrade as the temperature, and specific humidity is 0.0095 kg per kg of dry air. With this two details given, you are required to calculate 3 points. What are the three? Partial pressure of water vapor, relative humidity, dew point temperature. So for calculation of partial pressure of water vapor, the formula involved is the specific humidity formula. Specific humidity W is equal to 0.622 Pw by P minus Pw. What is Pw? This is partial pressure of water vapor. What is P? P means it is the atmospheric pressure. So W is known, it is given in the problem as 0.0095. P is known, that is atmospheric pressure 1.01325. Only unknown is Pw in this equation. So if you solve this equation, you will get Pw as 0.01524 bar. That is the first parameter to be calculated. Second one, relative humidity. Its formula is given by, relative humidity is given by Pw by Ps. What is Pw? Partial pressure of water vapor divided by Ps. What is Ps? It is the saturation pressure of the water vapor, saturation pressure. So how do we get this saturation pressure? It is the saturation pressure corresponding to dry bulb temperature. So from steam tables at 20 degrees centigrade, because dry bulb temperature is equal to 20 degrees centigrade, at 20 degrees centigrade, look at the saturation pressure from steam tables. Its value is 0.0234 bar. Therefore, substitute this saturation pressure in the denominator 0.0234, and Pw, which is calculated just now, as 0.01524 in the numerator, and relative humidity phi value you will get it as 0.65 or 65%. And the third parameter, C, dew point temperature. What is dew point temperature? It is the saturation temperature corresponding to partial pressure of water vapor. What is partial pressure of water vapor? 0.01524 bar. So from steam tables, corresponding to 0.01524 bar, what is the saturation temperature? You check. It is 13.24 degrees centigrade from steam tables, which is nothing but the dew point temperature. That is third point which we require. I hope you understand the problem. Let us meet in one more problem. Thank you.